Hello everybody, welcome back to Crossbow Pete. My name is Peter and today we're going to have some fun with fireworks. It's a dangerous topic for a lot of people because we're reckless and irresponsible. So what we're doing is we've basically got loads of these air booms from Asda. They were fairly cheap. They're quite loud, well some of them are. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to have them, you can see the bit at the bottom where you're supposed to stab them in the ground. We're basically flipping them upside down, sellotaping things to it, and hopefully you get a nice big explosion from it. So we have tried it. Kind of works, but we'll see what happens. Right, we're going to set the first one up, which is, it's annoyed everybody. It's kind of an Elfie little thing. Tell you what, I'm going to do. Right, right. So ideally, we have, see him? Poor little Elfie. Right, he's not on the shelf, he's on a firework. So what's going to happen is we're going to just basically stick that in the ground like this. Big bada boom, basically. So we're just going to sit on the ground and then just go for it. Right, so we're going to set this all up, get you in position, and then let the fireworks commence. Right, first one is Elfie. We have a hole here which we have previously done firework explosions before. So now, I don't know how this is going to work. It might just shoot Elfie off into the stratosphere, but should we find out? Bye, Elfie. Well, that didn't work. Are you alright, yeah? You alright, yeah? He's, oh, he's bleeding. He's bleeding. Well. Wow. Well, we got some sort of gist on it. Poor Elfie. Well, I should just tell you what. I might just strap one to his head. We'll do that later. Right. So next one, I think something with a bit more of a pop. Watermelon. Right. I'll get that set up. Right. Next one, watermelon, and I have put a hole in it so I can stick the firework in. This can go right or really wrong. Oh. Well, whatever. Whatever. That worked. That really worked. Well, that worked. Oh my god, that worked. That was mint. Well, what to try next though? I want to make it perfectly clear. Do not try this at home. We are strictly professional. I want to make that clear. Oh well, we'll set something else up and we'll try again. Right, Watermelon Volume 2. Ready? Right, there's the way up. Ooh. Smoky. Well, it's one way to split your watermelon, I suppose. doesn't help that they've been sat for ages. Oh. Do not try any of this at home, mind. Oh, put that in there. Told you it was cack. It's always cack. Do you reckon army men next? Yeah, it's a good idea. Right, we'll set them up, get you back on. Right, army men, military. I'm dressed like it. I must apologise for the squeaking because it's that cold out here. Anything that moves is kind of creaky, right? So I'm just going to light it, shove it in, or I might just shove it in anyway, and then just, well, hope for the best, everybody. Hope for the best, everybody. This may work, it may not. Let's find out. Well, that didn't work. It didn't work. Blue. Oh my god. Well, let's just say the ethnic origins now. Oh my god, blew a hole in the bottom. Oh my god, wait, it did work. It blew army men into the ground. Not satisfied with that. I need another one. So. Should I? Lights up. Hear that? It's the most annoying noise ever. The amount of times I've had to listen to that shit. Right? You getting it? Right? So, I'm going to put you there. Right? Everybody ready? Oh, now you decide not to work. Well, hey, you're going to get it now. Well, well, we can't use that anymore. Pepper didn't die. Does it still work? Right, right. No, yeah, I know what I'm going to do. Nah, work now. There, work now. It'd be funny if it still worked. Why I? Now work. That's sorted that out. Right. See it? Do you know what it is? Right. Look at the carnage, man. Now. Right, this may work, it may not, but so. Everybody ready? Oh dear. I don't think that worked, everybody. How hard is that thing? It's singed, but it's not actually gone. What to do?
I think I have an idea.
What's this idea?
try taping it a different way.
That is an idea. We will do that and we will put you back on. Right. We stuck it up its arse this time. We're going to just stick it in the ground normal. May work, may not. My guess is it probably won't, but... Now then. Oh dear. It's not sticking in the ground. Right, it's in the ground. This is so stupid. Right, everybody ready? Where's the fuse? Ready? There's a wheel. It flew through it. It's gone. Bits of it over there. Right. And on that note, I think we ran out. Thank you so much for watching Crossbow Pete. And I cannot stress enough, do not try this at home. We are just stupid and no more, I can honestly say. So thank you very much for watching Crossbow Pete. My name is Peter as always. Don't forget to give us a follow on TikTok and like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later. See what else.